In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Recaptcha problem. If the verification box keeps looping, never loads, or says it can't confirm you're human, the issue is usually with your browser settings or your network. We'll walk through a few quick fixes in a clear order so you can get back into Steam without frustration. Start by updating your browser to the latest version and making sure JavaScript is enabled. Recaptcha depends on modern security features and scripts, and older browsers or block scripts can break it. Update your browser, then check that JavaScript isn't being blocked by your settings or by any privacy tools. If you've disabled scripts in the past, turn them back on, then refresh the Steam page and try the challenge again. Next, allow third-party cookies. Recaptcha often uses cookies from services that aren't on the same domain, so blocking them can cause the challenge to reload endlessly. In most browsers, open the three dots menu, go to Settings, then Privacy or Security, and open Cookies. Choose a setting that allows third-party cookies, at least temporarily while you complete the sign-in. You can switch back to a stricter setting after you're in. Now, disable ad blockers, VPNs, and any extensions that might interfere. Content blockers can hide or break the challenge, and VPNs sometimes use IPs that have triggered too many requests, which looks suspicious to Recaptcha. Turn off your ad blocker or add Steam to its allow list, disable your VPN for the sign-in, and temporarily pause any privacy or script management extensions. Once you're logged in, you can turn them back on. If you're still stuck, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated data can conflict with fresh logins and security checks. Be aware this will sign you out of websites, so save anything important first. Clear your recent browsing data, then close and reopen the browser before trying again. Finally, check your network stability. Recaptcha needs a steady connection to verify you. Restart your router to refresh your connection, switch to a different network if possible, or try again during off-peak hours when Steam servers are less busy. Simple changes like moving closer to your Wi-Fi router can also help. After you've made these changes, reload the Steam page and complete the Recaptcha. In most cases, one or two of these steps resolve the problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.